Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome to my channel. So this channel is So Gwen Life. If you know me, you might know me from So Naturally Gwen, my natural hair channel. This will be my vlogging, lifestyle, beauty, and fashion channel. So just basically everything else that I'm interested in. So I really hope you guys enjoy this channel, and in today's video I'm going to be bringing you along for my packing. So I will be prepping for a vacation. I will be going to Atlanta, and it will be for Memorial Day weekend. I'm hoping that I upload this in enough time, you know, like not too long after the trip happens, and I do plan on vlogging. So this will be the vacation prep trip. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and let's get started. So I've already done a couple of things off camera, and I was like, okay, let me start filming some things. So the main things that I know I want to do is to pack. Of course, I already kind of pre-packed things, and then I know I need to do my hair, and then I also need to do like body prep. Yeah, so like shaving, exfoliating, stuff like that, as well as my nails. So those will be the main things that I do in this video. So let's get started on the actual packing. I do plan on bringing a big suitcase. This is my bigger suitcase. I prefer to have a big suitcase, like one large suitcase, as opposed to like a bunch of little suitcases. Okay, so this is what we got going on. So I basically have my clothes over here, and then my shoes and handbags over here. I'm not sure if this is how I want to keep it, but for right now, this is kind of how I have it. You are the luckiest girl alive. You had your innocence then. Come with the world every time you smile. Now you don't smile so often. I don't see you so much no more. I really pray, but I just pray that you're well. I know you cry every night. Blowing out in the sky. I just wanted to take a second to show you guys how I separate my outfits for a trip. So I open Good Notes and I make a note, and I just start to write everything. So I have it titled Atlanta Outfits, and then I have it by day, and then I say what we're going to be doing, and then I start brainstorming outfits. So this is what I do. This is just what I need to do to keep myself organized. And then what I like to do is here I put like undergarments I might need or possibly need. And then obviously I can, you know, change my mind if I want. That's what I do. So I will be using this to help me pack. I'm a bird one for you. You were the luckiest girl alive. That was to call you a friend. I was who you was. And we love. You ain't got but so many fucks. Yeah. One life to live. So be true to you. They don't know what they say. And they know your secrets. And they don't know about when he took your life away. Just write all in. I'm a bird one for you. But this is all the packing I'm going to do for the night. This isn't final. This isn't final at all. And I think I'm starting to get a little overwhelmed just because I have to put things in the suitcase, zip it up, and then get on a plane. Like, it's starting to get a little real. I think I might have packed, I don't know, I don't think I overpacked, but I think I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay. Yeah, okay, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen. So today is Wednesday, and so I ran a bunch of errands. So I'm gonna show you what I got from the store real quick. So first I went to Sephora to get some last minute things. So one thing I've been really wanting is a clear lip gloss, lip balm situation. yeah, so I decided to get the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm in the shade Vanilla. It's just the brown one. I was choosing between this and the Pink Sugar one, which is like the pink tinted one, but I have a lot of like pink tinted lip glosses and I just wanted something clear. Like, I like the formula. It's a little bit thicker than a lip balm, and it also is a little more greasy than a lip gloss, because you know sometimes lip glosses can kind of like dry or they can become really sticky. So yeah, got that. Next I needed a brow gel, so I decided to get the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Fix Clear Brow Gel. Super cute. I want to start branching out to different makeup brands, and I don't mind spending a little more if the product is good. I have the Anastasia Brow Freeze, and I don't know why it's called that because it doesn't freeze anything. It's super wet though. I kind of wish it wouldn't put so much on here. We'll see how that works. And then I decided to get another mascara. So I've been hearing really good things about the Charlotte Tilbury one. This is the Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes. Instant volume, length, and 24-hour lift effect. I already have mascara on, so I won't be trying this yet, but I decided to get this one, and I just got the tiny one. I sometimes feel like the tiny mascaras work better than the bigger ones, but look at how pretty the packaging is. Yeah. So I fell for the hype, the Charlotte Tilbury hype. It was just a matter of time. Anyways, moving on, I got an Amazon package. I'm just gonna show you it right now. Don't judge me, okay? I'm judging myself, honestly. So I wanted some new makeup bags, right? And I've been wanting some, but I didn't want to buy any unless I knew what I was going to put in them. Yeah, I haven't traveled in so long, so this has made me kind of evaluate what I own and realize what I need to upgrade or what I would like to upgrade, just because they're so worn out. So I got these makeup pouches, as you can probably imagine. So they are these like Burberry look-alike makeup bags. Putting it onto the universe, dream purchase would be the Louis Vuitton makeup pouch toiletry things. I would love to have one, but they're like $1,500. Maybe one day, but right now I just got these. Okay, these are super cute. So they look like this. They're these really nice, like waterproof, like vinyl type of material. So it's not fabric, because I was worried that it would be a fabric one, because I have had fabric ones in the past and they've just gotten so dirty so quick, like fingerprints, makeup, etc. So I like how these are a waterproof material so that they'll last. And it's black on the inside. It is like waterproof, and then it comes with a second one. But yeah, so this is a smaller one. So this one's long, this one's small. So yeah, so I got these. I'm really happy with my purchase, and that's what I got. So I'm about to eat, and then we will shower, cut my toenails, and do my nails sometime today, and then tomorrow will be hair. So I will see you guys hopefully in a little bit. I think I'm gonna vlog a little bit more, but if I don't vlog for the rest of the day, then I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's not morning, afternoon. It is Thursday afternoon. So I just washed my hair. I'll be posting how I do my hair on the other channel, but I'll show you guys how I will do my hair, like the finished style, but I'm gonna film the process for my main channel. Anyways, so I have a little bit more time before my hair actually dries. So I'm about to pack again. So I was just thinking more about what I want to wear, and the weather's gonna be really hot, so I was just like, okay, I think I need to like be a little bit more summer conscious, more cognizant of hot weather. So I rearranged some things. I bought some new pants. I bought some black cargo pants that I'm gonna wear. So like I have a couple more outfits that I'm gonna switch around. So I'm about to repack this stuff and try to really get it together. I figured out which personal item carry-on bag I'm gonna bring. It's not a carry-on, it's gonna be a personal item. I have this really big tote that I got from TJ Maxx. It's actually supposed to be reversible, but it's not reversible. Yeah, so this, and then I can carry everything. And then I have my passport, and I have my new little makeup bags. So in the tiny one I decided to put Tums, because I get reflux from TMI, but I get reflux when I like eat things that are really spicy, and just, you know, in case my stomach is upset for whatever reason. We'll be in the same time zone, so I won't have to worry about like that. That's something I recommend if you're gonna switch time zones. Your body digests food while it sleeps, so if you switch time zones and you're awake when you really should be asleep, your body might kind of feel off and your stomach might be upset. So I would bring Tums if that's the case for you. Anyways, I decided to put my perfumes like I mentioned, so I put those in there, and then I put my contacts in here, and then I have my allergy medicine. So I have those, and then the other one I'm gonna put in my personal bag. I might take some of the stuff out, but I basically put like some Tylenol. I have my battery for this camera. Actually, I'm using a cord, like a battery cord thing, so I don't have to worry about switching out batteries as I'm filming. So I'm gonna bring this with the actual charger, and then I plan on putting this camera in here as well. And then I do have the hand tripod, which I think can fit in here, so I'll probably put the hand tripod in here too. So that'll be my little tech gear bag. And then I have this little travel bag that I always keep in my personal bag whenever I go in an airport. So it has a bunch of stuff. I like to keep just like emergency items. So other than my AirPods, I have tissues. I keep an external charger that I charged up last night. I keep a phone charger. I have like thousands of these at this point. And I like to put stickers on mine so that, God forbid, I lose it, or you're on a trip with other people and they try to say that it's their cord. No, it's mine, because I have stickers on it. I've always done that. I have some corded headphones because my cell phone lets me still put headphones in it. Yeah, so I have those in there. I got a box of wet ones, so I'm bringing those. And then I have a feminine wipe, chapstick, Nivea lotion, hand sanitizer that I filled up with Germ-X. I have a nail clipper, which I don't think I need, but it's travel size, so I'm just gonna keep it with me. Earpods, no, what are these called? Earplugs. Girl, I'm such a light sleeper, so I need those wherever I go. I'm such a light sleeper. I have a pen, and then I have a clip, which I don't think I need this because I don't really put my hair in clips anymore. But I keep these, and then I have a bag like this, and pretty much like every bag that I know I carry a lot in. So in my work bag, I have an emergency kit, kind of like this, with a separate charger, separate chapstick. I don't like to take things and transfer them, so I highly recommend that for traveling. And that way you don't have to worry about like, oh, did I bring my charger? Did I pack my charger? Oh, I need it. Like, my chargers are over there for home. This is my charger for packing, you know. so you don't have to worry about that. And then I have a face mask because, again, I'm a light sleeper, I'm a bougie sleeper. So yes, and let's get into packing this suitcase for real.